I am always looking for cute little decor items to kind of upscale my kitchen, make it look just a little bit more designer, which is why I was super happy to be gifted this great little corner utensil holder from the brand. There's a few things I love about it. Is first of all, it all comes, all these little, whoops, somebody didn't put that one in the holder. So all these little bamboo square holders come out on their own. So you could use it for different things. You could put this in the middle of a table with cutlery in it if you were having a dinner party or something, or if you have a little restaurant or cafe, you can put other things in here. You could put little fake flowers or plants. So many different ways you could use it. I love it for cutlery though. And then this is just like a wire holder here in a nice matte black. It looks great. It goes really nicely in a corner. I'll just show you. But the quality of these is really good. The bamboo, each box is nice and thick. They're very well made. They look really nice. The edges are nice and smooth. And then when it is in place in the corner, you can put whatever you need to in there, and it just can go nice and tucked away, and it makes great use of your corner space on your counter. So it's not just empty open space. You can utilize every inch when you live in a small space like I do. I don't have a ton of counter space, so this can push it right up in the corner, and I make use of that great space. So highly, highly recommend it. I think it looks great. It adds a nice little detail to your kitchen. Thanks again to the brand for gifting it.